Hi, this is my vlog. My name is Prince Althea Santos, PSTM, Perseer College. Here's my presentation about the topic of tourism and risk management vulnerability of destination around the Philippines. Introduction to risk and public health. A public health risk is anything that could endanger human health or have the potential to spread disease or infectious condition to people is considered a risk to public health. Protecting the community from hazards to public health is responsibility of the local government. What are some hazards and risks in the tourism industry as a whole? These dangers responsible for tourist practices, safety measures, and contingency plans for different situations must be developed by government agencies, corporations, and local communities working together. Purpose of school fire, earthquake drills, safety programs. These safety programs are important for emergency preparedness, including through safety programs and school fires and earthquake exercise by teaching and equipping people to handle a range possible crisis. They can help to make schools safer places to be. Crisis management and tourism sustainable development. A crisis or disaster's negative effects on tourism could seriously affect the economy of the country and jeopardize the livelihood of large number of people in the travel destination. Tourism disaster management. Tourism disaster management is the design and execution of procedures intended to control hazards and disasters on tourist sites is known as disaster and risk management in the tourism sector. Human resource management in tourism. Human resource management in tourism, which deals with staff management to guarantee efficient service delivery in the general prosperity of tourism-related enterprise. For firms and in the tourism sector to succeed and remain sustainable, effective human resource management is crucial. Tourism companies can offer tourists outstanding experiences and support industry's overall expansion by investing in the training and well-being of their staff. Facility management in the tourism industry. The facility management in the tourism industry is the effective and efficient administration of physical areas and amenities to guarantee they satisfy visitors' needs and enhance their overall experience. To maximize the usage and effectiveness of facilities, this includes a variety of service upkeep, and strategic planning. Tourism management of national parks and heritage. Tourism management of national parks and heritage in order to balance conservation efforts with the visitor experience. National parks and heritage sites must be planned, developed, and used sustainable this this is known as tourism management. This approach to conservation and visitation is necessary to safeguard natural and cultural assets while offering visitors sustainable engaging experiences.